The first thing I want to do is I want to do the count function here. So I want to count and see how many players I have. Now, easily I could do that by looking over here and saying, oh, it's 25 minus 3. So I have 22 players. I could type that in. But say our sheet was huge like it was before we made all the adjustments. I could go up here to my quick functions button, click on count, and then just highlight all their grades. And once I have those highlighted, I go and press enter. It's going to tell me, like we said before, that there are 22 players. Now, if I wanted to figure out the percentage of their attendance, so this I would have to do a function. So I would click in the cell that I want my answer to go. So J4, I would say equal sign. This gives me a function. I'm going to say that I want this one. Okay. So my total number of days, I'm going to then divide it by, and I can click in here and say I want that to be a constant. This is kind of a side one. If I go in front of where the I is and hit shift 4, which is the dollar sign, and then go to in front of the 1 and hit shift 4, which is the dollar sign again, that's going to make that constant. So go ahead and press enter. So this kid, Andrew, has been here 50% of the time. Well, now since I made this cell appear constant, every time I move down, these will move, but that will stay the same. So if we go ahead and click there and drag down, you can see all the percentages of all the kids of their attendance. Okay. So the second one that I talked about, want to talk about is count blank. So if I go here and I hit equal sign and type in the word count or part of it, try that again, equal sign, count blank, open parentheses, and I go and I highlight those cells that we're counting, close parentheses, and press enter. It tells me 2. So there's, if you want it, instead of doing like an absent, you could just leave a blank, meaning they weren't there. So that one kid has missed 2 days. So you could have a running total of how many days each participant has missed. Obviously, if they're 100%, they're going to miss 0, 52. Okay. Thanks.